MLB Prize Picks for Friday, May 17th. I'm Sniper from DFS Army. We go NBA yesterday and we get burned by the blowout, a 45-point win for the Timberwolves to force Game 7. Pretty much toast there, and nobody played the fourth quarter, at least on the overplay. The cat under did cash at least, but we go on to MLB today on Flex Friday over on Prize Picks. If you need to join up over there, you see that code down below, Sniper. Get you a 100% deposit match up to $100 and 2 free months of the DFS Army props package with more picks, plays, tools, and promo codes. Let's hit the intro and let's go find a pair of winners. All right, this is the DFS Army Proptimizer. I'm actually going to try and zoom in a little bit more here today. Let you compare prize pick lines, sportsbook odds, and our projection model to help you find plus EV plays. Play number 1. I'm going to go Hunter Brown more than 5 strikeouts. Projection model has it at a flat 6.0. These are the odds right here on the left. Puts all the books right together for you and gives you a composite number of more than 5.5 at plus 111. So yes, it's plus money to actually go over, but you get value on these fixed payout sites with the push, taking the value on the push at 5. Then you look over to the last 5, 10, 15 tool, and in his last 4 games, or the last 4 starts, 3 wins, no losses, and this is actually a push right here. So 3-0-1 in his last 4, taking on Milwaukee today. Turn on over to the MLB stats site. This is already sorted by most strikeouts per team so far this year. He's taken on Milwaukee, and they strike out the 9th most among teams this year, and they're going to move up this list. They have 43 games played, and there are teams above them with 46 and 45. They'll at least pass the Dodgers if they were, per game in this category. Then you start getting pretty close. They would pass the Rays and the Reds. Still, though, they are clearly a top 10 team in terms of most strikeouts. So I have a team that strikes out a bunch against a guy in decent form with a good projection model and odds for this number here on Prize Picks. Checks all the boxes that I am looking for. Let's head on over to Prize Picks. Switch over to MLB, of course. Now let's go find Hunter Brown. Less. More. Wow, almost messed that up. More than 5 strikeouts as played. Number 1, it's more fun to play the mores anyway. Back on over to the Proptimizer. If you want access to this tool, like I said earlier, you can also look in the description. Your code SNIPER20 gets you 20% off to join DFS Army. Honorable mention play. Going to sneak one in the middle here. I did, and it looks like some more plays. This tool is updated live throughout the day, so I didn't even really get a chance to research this Brian Bello more hits allowed stat here. That's got pretty good odds, minus 140. It's giving up plenty of hits. Projection model over. Honorable mention here. I can't pull the trigger because I haven't gone super deep into it. But definitely one I will be looking at for members later. And Oswaldo Cabrera is the one I was going to say is honorable mention. Taking on Mike Clevinger, minus 135 odds for the more than 0.5 batting strikeouts. And I think he's had a strikeout in 3 of his last 5 games, or 2 of his last 5 games. But what I decided to do, I wanted to go with a pair of pitchers this morning. The pitchers have been running hot in terms of these videos. When I do the MLB ones, and we have just about turned the corner to no more NBA. I'm sure we'll still mix it in, maybe a finals game here or there. It's just there's only one game tonight. There wasn't that much available. So when there is stuff available, I'll go ahead and make those plays. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel and all that good stuff. So you see what we are putting out for free in addition to being in the Discord. Discord gets these plays pinged to them first because they can bump, move, get pulled off the board. Got to make sure the members have first dibs. All right, play number 2. Chris Bassett, more than 5 strikeouts. Same as before, here are your composite odds, plus 110. But similarly, with the push on 5, same exact number as Hunter Brown. Projection model, just a touch lower, 5.97, but still projecting him at a full strikeout more than the line would indicate. If I dip back a little bit here, the recent form, not as good. 2 wins in his last 6 starts, 3 losses, 1 push. So 2, 3, and 1. The last 10, not as good as Hunter Brown. But what does happen to be a little bit better, we'll head on over back to the team stats. He's taken on the Rays. The Rays, who did just reference the Brewers, may still pass them, but right now they sit at 7th in the league in most strikeouts per game. Clearly a top 10 team in terms of not afraid to strike out. So I got another team that strikes out at least top third in the league with a guy in decent form, wish it was better, but a high projection and good odds. That is enough for me to make Chris Bassitt more than 5 strikeouts. Play at number 2 for today. It is Flex Friday today on Prize Picks as well. We'll have those out there as in Discord as you try and hit a 25xer. Tons of picks, plays, all the sites, Prize Picks, Underdog, Sleeper. Got sportsbook plays over there for props. So make sure you go check that out. But for now, let's do a recap. Hunter Brown, more than 5 strikeouts, and Chris Bassitt, more than 5 strikeouts. Double Moores, we locked that in. That's what we got for today. Hopefully you guys enjoy the content. I didn't ask you up front, but if you could hit that like button for me, does help a lot. Get back on the winning train here, back to baseball. Hope you guys enjoy your Friday, enjoy your weekend. But for now, whether or not you are a DFS Army member, you probably should be. But either way, good luck in those contests, and I'll see you next time.